So Bridge House is quite literally an answer to the site. It's a very particular circumstance. You have 260 feet of length and 60 feet wide, and we wanted to create a project that marries itself to the landscape as much as possible. One of the things that we did, which is the first, was to create these double pivot doors. And I talk about the home embracing nature. And this is, to me, a literal representation of that, where the two doors open almost as an embrace to bring people in and to bring guests in. And then as you walk through the house, we have some really big openings that are non-operable. And the idea there was to create a really seamless connection indoor and outdoor. It was the fact that I was able to have a one-on-one conversation with the lead decision makers. That is unique to Western window systems. There wasn't a lot of red tape. You could get to the source within minutes, and that's super, super, super important. Beyond the deliverability of the product, and the quality, it's that ability to get the right product the first time.